Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at thread jams. At any time when you're sewing, a thread jam can occur, and they can occur in different ways. The needle can get jammed into the machine and therefore you won't be able to move it if you use the wheel at the side of the machine. Or sometimes you can get a thread jam where the material jams. So if we lift up our presser foot, we can see although the material comes out, the thread is jammed in there. And the easiest way to deal with that is remove the material as much as you can. Sometimes the material can get stuck inside the feed dogs and therefore you have to really get in there and try and cut it loose. On this thread jam the material is quite loose, so we're going to start by snipping the tails of the thread just to remove the material. If needs be, you can remove the presser foot if that's going to help, and then we're left here with our threads and we can just pull that one out, and there we can see that now all our threads are running freely. Occasionally though, you may need to remove the front of your machine, open the bobbin casing, and threads can sometimes get jammed inside of the bobbin casing, so we can just remove that and just check that there are no loose threads stuck inside there, so that next time we turn on our sewing machine it's going to sew perfectly. That's an easy way of dealing with thread jams.